In this video, I'll be going over box method of multiplication, 2 digits by 2 digits. Box method is another way that we use for multiplication, and in order to use this method, we need to follow the 4 steps. First, create a box. Secondly, separate the numbers. Third, multiply. And lastly, add everything together. Below are 2 examples. First one, we have 35 times 45. So we have already created a box. Secondly, we're going to separate the numbers. So looking at the question, we have 35. So we need to separate the 30 and then the 5. As 30 plus 5 equals 35. So we're going to put 30 on top on the 10th column, and then we're going to place the 5 on the 1st column. Next, we're going to separate 45. So this would be 40 plus the 5. So 40 would be here on the 10th row, and the 5 would be on the 1st row. Now that we completed this, all we have to do is multiply the numbers together and place the value in the box shown. So the first step is going to be multiplying 30 with 40. So 3 times 4 is 12. And then we'll place the 2 zeros behind. That's 1200. Then we'll take 5 times 30. So 5 times 3 is 15. And then we'll place the 0 in the back. Now we're going to do 40 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20. And then we'll place that 0 in the back. Then we'll have 5 times 5, which is 25. Now that we complete the setup, and then we multiply, now we just gotta add them all together of everything inside the 4 boxes. So we'll take 1200 plus 200 plus 150 plus 25. Adding them all together, I have 5 here, 7, this is 5, so the answer is 1575. Now feel free to punch the numbers in the calculator and see if the answer comes out the same. So just input 35 times 45 in the calculator and see if the answer comes out to be 1575. Alright, now we're moving on to the second example. We have 62 times 24. Going through the same process, we have already created a box. So that part's done. Now we got to separate the numbers. So we have 6 and 2. So this is 60 and then this is 2. So we put 60 and then 2. Next, we have 24. So we have 20 and then we have 4. So we'll put 20 here and 4 here. Now we're going to multiply. So 60 times 20, 6 times 2 is 12. And then we'll place the 2 zeros behind 1200. Then we'll take 4 times 60. 4 times 6 is 24. And then we'll place the 0 behind it. Next, 20 times 2. That becomes 4 and then 0. Then we have 4 times 2. which becomes 8. And lastly, adding them all together. So we have 1240, 240, and 8. After we add them together, we have 1488, and that's our answer. Now you can also input the 62 times 24 in the calculator and see if the answer comes out the same. So these are two examples of how you would multiply using the box method. We also have other multiplication tutorial in the comment section of this video. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.